What's the best Windows Update History Tracker? Windows Update History Tracker is a term that refers to a tool or a method that displays the history of Windows updates on your system. You can use different ways to view the update history, such as, Windows 11 10th users, use the Settings app. You can open Settings Update and Security Windows Update and click on View Update History to see a list of recently installed updates. You can also click on Uninstall Updates to remove any unwanted updates. Windows 11/10/8.1/8/7/XP. SP3, use the Control Panel. You can open Control Panel Programs and Features and click on View Installed Updates to see a list of updates sorted by categories. You can also right-click on any update and select Uninstall to remove it. Using a third-party tool, you can use a tool like Win Updates View from Nearsoft to display the Windows Updates history from your local system or from an external drive or a remote computer. This tool can also show you additional information, such as the installation date, description, status, source, and more. Last but not least, you may bookmark then check the official Windows Update History web pages, listed below, time to time. Source: 1. Windows Updates History Viewer, Nearsoft. https://www.nearsoft.net/util/windows_updates_history_viewer.html. 2. Windows 10 Update History, Microsoft Support. https://support.microsoft.com/n-a/topic/windows-10-update-history-8127c2c6-6-edf